Hi, this is Vel Murugan, physics teacher, and I welcome you all for the higher secondary studies in the first year. Usually, we are introducing ourselves by direct view. That means, as usual, the school will open, we will talk together, and this is the time. Why not? This is the first time in the history we are inviting a student through a online or phone call or phone talk or in the online classes. Anyway, this is also a new experience to us. Let me go for the lessons. In this lesson, we are going to study about the nature of physical world and measurement. Okay. I hope you were all studied in 10th well in science about the physics and other chemistry, botany, zoology, like that. In that learning, you had studied science as a whole book. These are all the branches contained together. But this time, you are going to study in different. Physics is separated, chemistry is separated, and biology is separated. So here you can learn a lot than that. Okay. First of all, we have to know one thing. What is physics? And why should we learn? And what are the applications? Physics is nothing but it's a study of nature. Science is knowing the truth. Physics is study of nature. What we are doing in day-to-day life, everything based on the physics activities. We can simply say we are walking. That is in terms of we are studied as motion. We are running. At the time we are using speed. We are driving the vehicle. At the time we are using the term acceleration and brake. That's the force given to the vehicle to stop. That is frictional force. So likewise, in every action, we are using physics. Sometimes with our knowledge, sometimes without our knowledge. But we are using the physics. Okay. So, such a invaluable things. Invaluable means we can't fix the value. It is a uncountable applications are there. Such a uncountable applications are there. That lesson only we are going to see now. So, physics is related with all the subject. We can relate with the maths, we can relate with the botany, zoology, as well as geography. So it is related with all the subjects. In case of we are studying the geology, there itself physics. In geography, there itself physics. While studying chemistry, there itself physics. So it is accommodated with all the branches of other science and arts. So the physics is the good relator to all the studies. Once you studied well physics, you can study all the subject easily. Okay, let me go for the lesson. In our book, the first topic is nature of physical world and measurement. the nature of the physical world and the measurement, how the world is accommodated with the nature, and how we are using that science. The scientific method means what? Very simple. The scientific method is a step by step approach in studying the natural phenomena and establishing the law which govern this phenomena. And it contains some features. First one, systematic observation, controlled experimentation, qualitative and quantitative reasoning, mathematical modeling, prediction and verification or falsification of theories. So these are the features of the scientific method. And the physics has lot of branches. Generally it is classified as classical and modern. In classical there are mechanics, thermodynamics and kinematic theory and optics, electricity and magnetism, acoustics, astrophysics, relativity. These are all under the category of classical. And for the modern physics, quantum physics, non-relativistic, relativistic, atomic, nuclear, molecular, high energy physics, and the last condensed matter physics. So these are all under the category of modern physics. So these topics can be deeply studied in upcoming lessons. Just we are here introduction only. What is the topic and what we are going to study in the topic, that you could see in the next next class. Now it is for just an introduction only. So that's why I am winding up the class with this introduction. Thank you.